Strengthen supply chain resilience with SAP. SAP Integrated Business Planning with SAP Analytics Cloud establishes a simplified, comprehensive planning process by bringing together financial planning and supply chain planning. Improve financial performance with in-depth analysis. As a financial planner, make better decisions with a holistic snapshot of your organization's financial health, performance, and operations. Every financial figure and KPI establishes the context surrounding its value to help you steer towards financial goals. Compare your performance from actuals and budgets across different periods to track changes over time. Different views uncover deviations to help determine the best locations to focus your time and resources. Analyze profit and loss statements with actuals compared to growth strategies and targets, with every value containing an underlying live connection for real-time analysis. Improve visibility and gain the level of detail you need to quickly transform oceans of data into islands of insight. Look in-depth at your financial performance with automated analytics to discover the most important factors affecting your data. Eliminate roadblocks to growth. Accelerate growth and separate your organization from the competition by understanding the total market potential, including which features customers value the most and which products are most profitable. Build an effective growth plan by understanding the sentiment surrounding your products and spotting areas for improvement. Look internationally at different markets to see if global expansion or offering additional products in other regions will drive increased growth. Craft scenarios to understand the impact of different adjustments you make to drive revenue growth. A value driver tree is configurable to align with what you're producing with customer needs, starting from total sales to categories and individual products. Add new products and easily calculate the impact on revenue growth with new features. Estimate and simulate scenarios with entire industry factors in mind to reduce roadblocks to growth. Improve decision-making with integrated planning and analytics. You're not limited to looking through only a financial lens. Close integration between finance and supply chain planning is key to decreasing costs and improving profitability. Your supply chain team feeds input into your growth plan by providing a rough-cut capacity plan. Quickly spot any capacity gaps and use what-if analysis tools to plan shifts for workers, along with the cost and benefits. Adjusting capacity with more workers is instantly visible from a financial perspective. This insight aligns your profitability targets from both a supply chain and financial perspective. Improve decision-making across the enterprise with calculated financial decisions based on aligned financial and supply chain planning. Improve financial performance, eliminate roadblocks to growth, and make better decisions with SAP. Synchronize financial and supply chain planning in real time across the business.